Wow, look at this. So the one thing we haven't dealt with is when x is the power. So if we've got something like this. So this is an exponential equation, because x is in the air, so it's an exponential. Ax, get it? Ha. Right? Anyway, an exponential equation, and we need to be able to differentiate it. But there's no rule for how to differentiate this. So what we actually have to do is think about what makes up this. So we could look at this as being, what could we use? Good, we can log it. So if we take the natural log of both sides, we like the natural log now. So we've gone a little bit over logs now to the natural log. If we take the natural log of both sides, that means that x jumps from the air back down to the front. Here. Now, we want this actually to say y equals, and it doesn't. So we can get it to say x equals. X equals, good job guys, I can see you're all about end of terming, ln of y over ln of a. Is there such a thing, end of terming? I'm sure it's a disease. Okay, but that's no help at all because we don't dy by dx. Or do we? Why can't we go? Oh boy, guys, this is like one of those horror movies where you're waiting for something to happen. Why can't we go dx by dy? It's just the reciprocal, right? It's just dy by dx turned upside down. So if we were going to dx by dy this, that means we're differentiating the things with y in it. But, what is this? It's a constant. It's a number. It's got no x's in it. It's just a number, just a thing. ln of a. So if that's a constant, when we differentiate something like x over 3, right, x over 3, that's the same as a third x, right? And then we just differentiate the x and we end up with a third. So this is just 1 over ln of a, which is a number, ln of y. We're differentiating that y. We're not differentiating the ln of a. There are ln of a, 1 over ln of a of these answers as well. So that part just stays the same as though it was 3. So we've got 3 of these. We've got 3 of these differentiated. What does ln of y differentiate to? Good. 1 over y. Right? Okay, so what's that? What's that nicely written? 1 over y ln of a is the nice way to write it. So, dy by dx equals 1 over y ln of a. What is dx by dy? What's the reciprocal? Y ln of a. Where's the x's? There isn't any, but we need an x. We're doing well, that is. We told ourselves up here that y equals a to the power of x. So down here, it's the same thing. y is still a to the x. So therefore, we get a to the x ln of a. So y equals a to the x differentiates to a to the x ln of a. So if we had y equals 7 to the x, dy by dx, if we can remember, otherwise we'd have to go through all of that, but if we can remember, it is 7 to the x ln of 7.